Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, gold market has completed our expectation and confirmed some suspicions that we have seen yesterday, and we have discussed this. Some really bearish moments have been formed, despite even on this morning star pattern that we have discussed. We said that the action that market is showing is really contradicts to normal behavior of the bullish market. So the market has formed some bearish swings that should not be formed if market really bullish. And yesterday market again has confirmed that by this recent drop. Finally, it has destroyed the even theoretical chances on the possible head and shoulders pattern here. And here we probably have to return back to discussion of the possible patterns that in one or other shape has two bottoms. So currently the last hope for the bulls probably, although I still think that chances on the further downward action looks more significant than any meaningful retracement. And the meaningful retracement, I understand the retracement above the 11 even. But in the very short-term perspective, well, market maybe will form some bounce, who knows. Anyway, for bulls, the last chance is to get some kind of the reversal pattern for this meaningful retracement that has two bottoms. What patterns that could be formed? First one is double bottom itself. First bottom, this could be second bottom, and market could form some retracement. Another interesting moment is possible double repo buy on the weekly chart. And to be honest, guys, I think that double repo has more chances to be formed, because I do not really believe significantly in the double bottom pattern, mostly because of existing of this untouched ABCD target. That's why I think that market probably, before any reversal will happen, and if it will happen at all, of course, market should hit this target. And this is very suitable for the double repo pattern, because double repo very often has second bottom slightly lower than the first one. This treats as the positive factor for the double repo, because it indicates that bears have tried to push market lower to pass through, to press them through previous low to continue trend, but failed. And this indicates more brighter capitulation of the bears if this will happen. For example, market will drop lower, create the new low compares to this one, and then fail. Market will skyrocket to the upside. This will increase the power of the double repo. That's why the second bottom that stands slightly lower than the first one treats as the positive sign for the double repo pattern. Well, that's why my thought is that if any pattern still will be formed here, I mean reversal, then probably the double repo has more chances to succeed rather than classical double bottom, because I think that market should touch first this target before any reversal will happen. At least personally, I do not want and will not take any long position here until market will not complete this ABCD on the weekly chart, because this will be very risky. So that's why, guys, why I'm talking about this. Because take a look, today we have the bullish grabber here. With this drop lower, market has formed bullish grabber that suggests possible upward action. And this grabber, if we wouldn't have this ABCD pattern and then this uncompleted target, this grabber could be very significant from the perspective of the classical double bottom. Because what could be better? For example, first bottom, second bottom with a grabber that suggests the taking out of this top, and that's really very positive for the double bottom. But existing of this target makes me think that we should not take the bet on this grabber. We should not trade it, and it's better to skip it, because it has very significant probability to fail. That's why my call to you is do not take the long position on this grabber, and wait at least when the market will hit this ABCD target. Also take a look, that will be very close to the monthly pivot support one, so that will be not really bad support area. And especially if the double repo pattern will start to form. Another opportunity for bulls, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart on the butterfly that we have discussed, this butterfly, because it will let you to anticipate the double repo pattern. That's my personal invention. When the second bottom of the double repo take the shape of the butterfly on the intraday charts, it lets us to freely and without any additional pain to anticipate it by taking the position based on the butterfly directly. Because in this case, if you will take position based on the butterfly, you will be able to place very tight stop right below this support area. Because market should show the reaction, some reaction probably should happen, because this is not just some hourly ABCD pattern. This is the weekly ABCD pattern, and retracement here has big chances to happen. Anticipating of this double repo give you just perfect entry almost at the bottom, because you will have on the back this reversal pattern that brings you additional protection in your position, and your entry will be right at the low of the second bottom and the culmination point of the double repo pattern, not after the confirmation that will give you worse entry point. That's why I always look for butterflies when I anticipate the appearing of the double repo. I always look at the butterflies on the intraday charts, and if I have this, this give you just more confidence that the double repo probably has more chance to work, and this give you additional protection on your position. So let's keep watching. Currently, guys, my thought is do not take any long position right now when the market will hit this major support area, because here market will complete simultaneously weekly ABCD for our butterfly and will hit monthly pivot support one. This will be really very strong support cluster that will give you sufficient protection on your position and let you to take some long position, scalp long position on an anticipation of the possible upward retracement with a relatively small risk. If double repo will start to work, guys, it will be at least the 50% retracement of this thrust, and that's approximately 1120 area. So it's really very big, very significant action, very significant move. But even if minor retracement here will happen based on this butterfly, for example, if double repo will fail, you will not be hurt by this, because as soon as market will start bounce here, you will be able to move your stop to the break-even. And if market reaction will be limited just by normal retracement here on the butterfly, just 3-8 retracement, for example, for the 20-30 bucks per contract here, this will be sufficient for you to move your stop to the break-even and turn this trade to the riskless one. So as you can see, there's really big advantage to have this pattern on the intraday charts and dealing with the possible potential double repo here. So situation on the gold market is not as simple as it seems. It looks on the just first glance, and have many nuances. And if you see these details, if you see these nuances, it will give you additional advantage. So you will be able to take the position with a relatively small risk, and with the high probability of the success, or at least with a high probability to lose nothing in the result of this trade. So let's keep watching. But guys, I call you to not take the long position right now and to skip this grabber that we've got.